So I put my contacts in because like this whole try to see thing is like crazy. So this has been a season of being stretched. I think God is stretching me right now, and it's really something. You know, I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful, but it's you're unlearning a bunch of stuff as your adulthood. You're growing up. You're maturing. You have to force yourself to do things that you don't necessarily want to do, but you know you need to do. So it's just one of those seasons. But I'm grateful for it. It helps you be like every little thing is like a blessing. So I feel like I understand why he's doing this. But anywho, this is not what this video is about. My birthday's coming up. My birthday is coming up soon, June 19th. Today is June 13th right now. And I want to do a photo shoot for my birthday. My photo shoot is today. It's currently 12:42 p.m. right. That's me. 12:42. I had like twists in my hair and I was taking them down as I was driving, which is like definitely not the smart thing to do, but I did it anyway and I'm still here, so thank God. But they don't look too bad. They're not as, you know, defined as I would like it to be. So I figured I'm just gonna use this and we're just gonna like work it out. I think I'm gonna use my scrunchies to kind of stretch it out a little bit and give me a deep part. And I think that's what I'm going to do for the photo shoot. We're going to go ahead and get into it. I want y'all to come on this journey with me. I need to do my hair, my eyebrows, my nails, and I need to nair, but obviously I'll do that off camera. So yeah, I guess you can say this is a vlog. You want to see my cat? Bubbles, come here. What? Come back. Don't run from the cuddles. Y'all, let me officially introduce you to Mr. Bubbles, or Sir Bubbles the First. Could you just look at the camera maybe? Look up here. Okay, alright. You think of what? Oh, this is Bubbles. He's very much over me holding him. You are free, my little friend. Every time I get an email now, I have so much anxiety because I'm like, what didn't I pay? What bill needs to be paid right now? But this video is not about that. This is a safe space. Alright, so these are the products I'll be using for my stretching process. I have Talia Wajid. I know I butcher her name all the time. Talia Wajid, my apologies. The green apple and aloe curl definer. Have that. I've used this before and it works pretty well and I like the consistency. I have Honey Silk 14-in-1 Miracle Worker spray. And lastly, I have Dove hairspray in the level 3. Oh, and also have Edge Booster for my edges. Y'all, I went to the hair store and like, I bought, let me show y'all actually, this little thing of Edge Booster right here. I bought it and like, it's old. Look at this. It is crusty in there. I'm like, what is in here? I don't understand. So for this one, I went to the store. I was like, can you open it up, please? He said, huh? I said, yeah, open it. So I can see if it's old or not. And this one's cool. It's cool. The other one that he showed me was old too. I was like, you need to throw those away, sir. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and start parting my hair. Oh, y'all, okay, that was sweet of him. So like I said, I went to the hair store. I went to get a rat tail comb and some edge control, and he rung this one up, this rat tail comb and the edge booster, and it was like $5. I said, no, $5.30 something. I said, $5.30 something for what? He said, this is $2.99. I said, no, I'm gonna go to another beauty supply store that's cheaper. He said, no, come back. And he showed me a clearer one, like it was like a clear one. He's like, well, this one's cheap. I said, well, I'll get that one. He put this one in the bag. That was so sweet of him. Okay. Look at God. Anyway, I'm going to just start parting my hair. Oh, my camera is so clear right now. That's crazy. I'm going to part my hair. See, this is why you need a rat tail comb. You see how crisp that part is? Please do not play with her because she is never one of them. And my hair is dirty, y'all, because I was supposed to wash my hair like 3 days ago. Ooh-wee. I was supposed to wash my hair 3 days ago. And I was like, it's a lot that's been going on with my house, like my actual home. Like my air has been out. it's been too hot to really do much of anything. So like, I'm just going to put my hair in twists. I use Blue Magic hair grease. If you want to see me do it or see what I'm talking about, I do have a video on my page of me doing it, so you are able to see it. Now that my hair is like parted, I'm just going to roughly, just for a second, put a little bit of edge booster on there just so it can kind of set it in place. Okay, so now that it's parted the way I wanted to, I'm going to go in with my curl definer cream here, and I'm going to put this section in just 2 braids, so it's able to kind of lock in that braid style that I had earlier. This season has truly humbled me, and I don't even think God is done yet. Oh, wait, do you see them curls? Please do not play. I'm going to top it off with the Dew, who's the Big Papa gel. It's like my favorite gel. But anyway, I think like so much has happened, and being in like this type of season, it forces you to show gratitude to the little things. Like, it also reminds me that you really need God during this season. Like, when I say I'm relying, I'm trying to rely so heavy on him, and that's easier said than done. But that's just the season I'm in right now. And I hope my camera's focusing in, because girl, I don't know what is going on with it. So yeah, that's it, child. I don't know. Also, I'm learning to go to the places or go around the people in your life who celebrate you, not the people who only tolerate you. If you're like having a conversation with somebody and like 80% of the conversation is them venting to you about whatever they're going through, and they don't even have the nerve to, you know, make sure you straight, just, they may not be, you know, your people, and that's okay. I made a video on TikTok about how he provided for me in a time of like dear crisis, and he did, and it was so beautiful the way that he did it. And I'm trying to learn that like you have to keep trusting him, and like even if you don't hear anything or you don't think you hear anything, that doesn't mean that he I'm sorry, these look so good to me. That doesn't mean that he's not there. It doesn't mean that he doesn't see your situation. It's just sometimes it is a test. Girl looking like a hoe. Look at that. They look so good, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna let that side do its thing. The rest of these, I don't know, I know I gotta redo these for sure. I'm just gonna put the rest of this kind of in the back, and I'm gonna decide what I do with it later. Hey y'all, so this is just me trying my best to detangle my hair, and child, I was rushing. I know it doesn't look like it, but I was rushing so hard here. So here I'm trying to smooth out the front part. I'm just going to plait up this area. Now I will say I did not dry my hair the way I wanted to. I didn't have time to. That's me trying to dance, child. You know I ain't got no rhythm. But I didn't dry my hair as well as I wanted to. And you'll be able to see it later on in the video. But here I'm just adding some hairspray at the end so it can kind of hold a little bit. Like I said, I am rushing, but the hairspray method has been working a little bit when I am not in a like a rushing state. When I'm actually taking my time, it does work. This is me just trying to get the, you know, the kitchen area. I am going to use my scrunchie to stretch out my hair. I want it to look fuller and longer. This is the first time I think I've used Hawaiian Silky, or maybe I haven't used it in a long time, but it's really good. Like, it really moisturized my hair. But back to talking head Amber. Let's go. Okay, I'm done. This is kind of what it's looking like. I'm probably gonna sit under a hooded dryer in a little bit. But first, I'm gonna lay my edges down. I'm gonna use this to kind of lay it down. I don't know where my edge brush is, but we are going to make the best of what we have. Just gonna slightly put that there and just kind of focus in on the edges real quick. Y'all, I'm so tall. I am so tall. Like if I stand up straight, it's just gonna be like this. I gotta bend down and just like around the perimeter. I am not my hair. I am not the skin. I am the soul that lives within. It's the way when my head makes me a better person. Like I don't want the big swoopity swoop baby edges. I don't want that. I just want to be very crisp. Is my goal here is for it to be very crisp. Okay. And with all this product on my hair, I may not get that, but as long as I am kind of close. So like there, and no one's gonna see this side anyway. This is really just for me. I don't know what this is called. The only reason I'm using this is that I can't find I have an edge scarf, but like I don't know where it's at. It's true. Alright, so now I'm going to put my scarf on top and time to tackle the eyebrows. What time is it? It is 1:40. I need to hurry up because I need to get dressed and everything too. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows as quickly as possible. I want to like start on my nails at like 2:30. That'll be perfect. I don't know if I can do this. I may have to push it back. Ooh, okay. Oh, let me see. Now I am in my waxing era, or I'm trying to be in my waxing era. Right now I can just do my eyebrows and my chin and my upper lip area. I tried to wax my legs and it just did not work out properly. But this is just me waxing. If you want to know, about the wax kit or where you can get it, be sure to look at the icon above. It sends you to my Amazon storefront where it is available. And this right here, it was painful. I didn't like that. That was disrespectful. But I definitely got all the hair off that I needed. But yeah, let me know. Are you a waxing person, or do you go wax, or do you razor or whatever? Are you a nair person? Just let me know in the comments down below. All right, I think I'm done talking for now. Alright guys, so I attempted to do my eyebrows. I couldn't really, I'm rushing a little bit. I couldn't get as detailed as I would like, but I did attempt to do my eyebrows. I'm not about to do my nails. I want to do short French tip, but the way that the time is set up right now, it's like 2:45 and I still gotta get dressed. It'll take 15 minutes to get there, so if I leave at 3:45, cool. So I have 1 hour to kind of do this. No, I have like 20 minutes honestly to do my nails, and I need the other time to actually get dressed and put on my makeup and everything. So I'm rushing a little bit. So child, we'll see how this goes. I don't know. I'm not gonna show you me doing my nails. If you want to find a detailed version of me doing it, click on this video right here. I literally break down everything that I do to do my French tip nails, but in the video it's almond French tip, but it's still French tip at the end of the day. I list out the product details, all the fun things, and if you don't feel like watching that long video about it, be sure to click on this video. I have a shorter video on Instagram that shows you that shows you me doing it and how long it takes and everything. Oh y'all, I'm hungry. So yeah, let's get started.
We've seen and what I've seen.
And I made it in time by the grace of God. I may have been a little bit late, but it's okay. It doesn't count. But this was the aftermath of all the madness. As you can see, my hair is a little frizzy, like I mentioned earlier. I did not dry it all the way, but it's okay. It's cool for one day and one photo shoot. I will put all the information of the photographer, my girl D. She always kills it. These are the photos. I'm the one who edited it, but she's the one who took these amazing photos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Peace.